Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn what is inflation. So in simple terms, inflation is an increase in the overall price level. Inflation is regarded as a major economic problem everywhere. Inflation has been experienced by all the countries, whether it is a capitalist, socialist, developed or developing countries. Inflation is defined as a process of persistent and appreciable increase in the overall price level. Let's learn with the points. When the prices of major commodities such as food, shelter, clothes, transportation, medical care, etc. increases, the general or the overall price level increases. So whenever the prices of major commodities such as food, shelter, clothes increases, the general or the overall price level increases. A one-time increase in the overall price level is not an inflationary phenomena. So whenever the price increases at the particular time, it does not mean that it is inflationary in nature. But when the overall price level rises year after year, it is inflationary in nature. So whenever the price rises continuously year after year, it is inflationary in nature. A mild or the gradual increase in the price level, say between 1 to 2% per annum, is essential for the healthy functioning of an economy. Such mild increase in the price level is not regarded as inflationary rise. So a mild rise in the price is not a problem or an issue, but it is essential for the healthy functioning of an economy. During inflation, the purchasing power of the currency decreases as the goods and services get costlier. So let's understand with an example. The amount of goods which we get under rupees 100 in these days, maybe we'll not get the same amount of good after a year or 2 years. Maybe we have to pay rupees 200 for the same amount of good. So the purchasing power of the currency decreases as the goods and services get costlier. So moving to the types of inflation. So what are the types of inflation? There are 4 types of inflation: creeping, walking, running and hyperinflation or the galloping inflation. What is creeping inflation? Creeping inflation occurs when the price level increases at a mild rate, say around 2 to 3% per year. It is also known as mild inflation. So whenever the price rises 2 to 3%, so it is called creeping inflation. This type of inflation is not much harmful to the economy. Second is walking inflation. When the rate of increase in the price level is in the range of 3 to 6% per annum, it is called walking inflation. So whenever the price level increases the range of 3 to 6%, it is called walking inflation. When prices are rising slowly, such a situation is sometimes termed as moderate inflation. What is running inflation? When the price level rises at a faster rate and is generally around 10% per annum, it is called running inflation. So running inflation is a warning signal indicating the need for controlling it. Fourth is galloping inflation or the hyperinflation. Galloping inflation occurs when the prices start rising at double or triple digit of 20, 100, 200% a year. Nothing good can be said about the hyperinflation. There is no limit of price rise and the price rise goes out of control. Price rise goes out of control. Money becomes almost worthless, causing severe hardships to the people. There is complete collapse of the currency and economic and political life is disturbed during hyperinflation. So when the price start rising double or triple digit rates, that is 20, 100 or 200% a year, then it is galloping inflation. During hyperinflation, the price rise goes out of control and the money becomes worthless. So these were 4 types of inflation. Hope this video would be helpful to you. Thank you.